how to fix screen share audio issue in your MacBook. Now, the actual process are all the same, whether if you're using a Windows or any kinds of operating system. Our main goal here is to match our sound output directly from the device that we're using and as well as directly from Discord. So first things first is double check if you're currently or if your current sound output in your MacBook is matched with your Discord app. So just head out into your Mac and then just simply search in sound, where it is usually located at the lower right portion of your MacBook screen. Now, this is going to be your output devices. If you're using an external device for using a microphone or any kinds of speakers, make sure that it is currently selected to the correct one. You could also try to adjust and double check if your master volume is working and as well as your microphone. Now let's head into our Discord. Now go into user settings and then scroll down a bit till you go into voice and video. So here, you're going to be doing the same thing at what you did on your default sound output directly from your Mac. So it should match between your default audio or sound output from your MacBook and as well as on your Discord. That's it. That is how you troubleshoot and fix screen share audio issue on your MacBook.